So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can say translation for post on your Facebook application. So that you will see the translation option next to any post in any of the languages that you want. So let's get started. First of all, you want to just go for your Play Store. Once you are on your Play Store, you have to update of your Facebook application. Just search for your Facebook application. Once you are on your Facebook application here, if there is any update available, then you have to download the latest version of your Facebook. So here you can see that I'm using the latest Facebook app right now. After that, you have to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. So once you have opened up your Facebook app, as you can see, I have enabled the English translation here. So here you have to navigate to your hamburger menu, which is on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, here you have to scroll down and go for the setting and privacy and tap on the setting. Once you are on your setting page, so here you have to scroll down a little bit under the preference. Once you are on your preference section, you will find the language and region here. Once you are on your language and region, you can see there is our second option, language. You will have to translate it post into. You have to just go for that. And here you have to select your preferred languages according to your chat twice. So here you can see that I have preferred English languages. So this way you can easily say see translation on Facebook app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.